Here's my honest review of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You've probably seen the headline about an ancient Japanese discovery that melts fat, but is this daily morning drink actually worth your money or just clever marketing? Let's break it down calmly and realistically. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powdered nutritional supplement you mix with water once a day, usually in the morning. It's marketed as a metabolism and weight support formula inspired by ingredients traditionally used in Okinawa, Japan. You drink it, not swallow pills. The basic routine is simple. Take 1 scoop in water around mid-morning or about an hour after a light breakfast, and make it a daily habit. It's designed to be part of your morning routine, not a one-time detox or a crash plan. The headline claim is that this ancient Japanese discovery can help you burn off belly fat and support a flatter stomach when you drink it regularly. The stories they share talk about less hunger, fewer cravings, more energy, and better confidence in clothes and at the beach. Behind the scenes, the formula is built around plant-based ingredients and antioxidants aimed at supporting a healthy metabolism and a normal inflammatory response. It's not positioned as a medicine, but as a daily nutrition booster to help your body do its job more efficiently. If it works well for you, the most realistic benefits are things like slightly reduced cravings, better control around snacking, feeling more comfortable in your clothes, and a bit more steady energy during the day. Think support and momentum, not instant, dramatic transformation. Here are the pros. First, it's easy to use, no complex protocol. Second, it can be more enjoyable than swallowing multiple capsules if you prefer drinks. Third, it fits nicely into a broader routine of better food choices and light activity, which is where real, sustainable progress happens. The testimonials highlight people feeling lighter, more energetic, and more confident, especially about their midsection. Several mention their clothes fitting better and not obsessing over carbs or junk food all afternoon. Of course, individual stories aren't a guarantee, but they do show how some users feel when they stick with it. Now, the cons. The marketing language can sound very dramatic, which may set expectations way too high. If you expect a drink alone to melt off dozens of pounds with zero lifestyle changes, you're going to be disappointed. It's a supplement, not a miracle or a substitute for common sense. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is best for adults who are already motivated to improve their eating and daily movement, and want an extra nudge with cravings, energy, and metabolism support. If you like the idea of a quick morning drink instead of more pills, you're the target audience. You should probably skip this tonic if you're expecting medically supervised treatment, if you have serious health conditions but haven't talked to your doctor, or if you hate the taste of powders and know you won't stay consistent. Also, if you're extremely skeptical of supplements in general, this won't magically change your mind. The tonic is marketed as being produced in a controlled facility and made from natural ingredients, but remember, it's still a dietary supplement. It's not a drug. It's not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease, and if you're on medication or have a condition, you should always check with your healthcare professional first. One strong point is the extended money-back guarantee. You get a trial window to see how your body reacts and whether you actually notice changes in energy, cravings, or the way your clothes fit. If it doesn't feel right for you, you can request a refund through the official order page. There are different bundle options, usually with a single bottle and multi-bottle packages that bring the cost per serving down. I'm not going to repeat all the price points here, because they can change, but the idea is simple. The more you order at once through the official link, the lower the per bottle price tends to be. Because this product is popular, you definitely want to avoid random third-party listings or too good to be true deals. The safest way is to order directly through the official link under this video in the description. That way, you get the real formula, the real guarantee, and proper customer support. Here's the mindset I recommend. See Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic as one tool in a bigger toolbox. Keep your meals reasonably balanced, stay hydrated, move your body a bit each day, and use the tonic to support your metabolism and appetite signals. Give it enough time before you judge it. My honest verdict: Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic won't magically erase all your weight issues overnight, but for the right person it can be a convenient, enjoyable way to support a healthier metabolism and better control around food. If you like the ritual of a morning wellness drink and you're ready to make some lifestyle tweaks, it can be worth testing. If you've listened to this and think the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic might be a good fit for your routine, make sure you only order through the official link under this video in the description. That's where you'll find the real product, the current deals, and the full guarantee, so you can try it for yourself and see how your body responds.